Now he's heading towards the Venice area. Hey, Craig, what's up, man? Gotta be windy out there.
Hey there, Garth. Yeah, all up and down the coast, and we are now in Santa Monica, just south of the pier, in the CBS2 Mobile Weather Lab. Winds sustained anywhere from 20 to 25, and we've had a gust of 31. Let me show you the trees up behind me, just blowing around, and then down below you can see a lot of the sand. We shot a little bit of video earlier when we got here, just a few minutes ago, to show you what's going on here. A lot of the sand blowing through the beaches and on the walkway here, and then we've also got the pier off in the distance, and a lot of that wind out here as we go through the morning hours. And it looks like, as you've been talking about, a lot of this wind just continues to blow through. Now, I brought my tie just to kind of show you how gusty these winds are. And of course, as we were driving over here, there's a lot of debris blowing around. I even saw some trash cans. Today's trash can day in some places. So, Stephanie, out on the roads can be a little tough as well.